So it's gonna be my birthday soon and I'm making meringue for my guests and I'll show you how to make it. So we're gonna crack 4 eggs and measure 4 egg whites. Our meringue doesn't like oil, so no oil at all. No egg yolk. Your hands should be washed. And we'll need double amount of sugar. So we're gonna measure 300 grams of sugar, and sugar needs to be white. So for this, you can't use organic, it has to be like pure white sugar. Okay, 300 grams of sugar. Then we're gonna add the egg whites. Mix until they're white and foamy. They look like this. You're gonna slowly add the sugar. And then because the theme of my birthday is pink, we're gonna add dragon fruit powder. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons. So instead of pink, we actually got the lilac color, but it's so gorgeous. And this is how it should look. Do you see that stiff peak? That's what we need. Bake at 200 Fahrenheit for about 3 hours. See, it's dry inside. So just like this, it's ready and it's gonna be stable. It's not gonna melt when you put the cream inside. And for the filling, I'm gonna combine cream with a little bit of powdered sugar for sweetness and dragon fruit powder for color.